Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing 12 money saving hacks that will help you save a lot of money in the long run. Whether you're trying to save for a specific goal, or just want to reduce your monthly expenses, these hacks will come in handy. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Hack number 1, make a budget. The first and most important step in saving money is to have a budget. Start by tracking your monthly income and expenses, then make a plan to reduce your spending and increase your savings. A budget will give you clarity on where your money is going, and help you make more informed financial decisions. Hack number 2, shop around for deals. When you're shopping for something, always shop around to find the best deal. Use comparison websites to find the lowest prices, and never be afraid to negotiate for a better deal. You'd be surprised how much money you can save by simply shopping smart. Hack number 3, cut down on subscriptions. We all have a ton of subscriptions that we don't even use. Take a look at your monthly expenses and see which subscriptions you can cancel or negotiate a better deal on. Cutting down on these expenses can save you a lot of money in the long run. Hack number 4, use coupons. Take advantage of coupons, promo codes, and other discounts when shopping. These small savings can add up over time and make a big difference in your budget. Hack number 5, cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try to cook at home as much as possible. Not only will you save money, but you'll also eat healthier and have more control over the ingredients you use. Hack number 6, reduce energy costs. One of the easiest ways to save money is to reduce your energy costs. Start by turning off lights and electronics when you're not using them, and invest in energy-efficient appliances. You can also look into alternative energy sources, like solar panels, to further reduce your energy costs. Hack number 7, use public transportation. Using public transportation, walking, or biking instead of driving can save you a lot of money on gas and maintenance costs. Not only will you save money, but you'll also help reduce your carbon footprint. Hack number 8, avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can be a big drain on your budget. Before making a purchase, take a moment to think about whether you really need it, and if there's a cheaper alternative. You can also put a cooling off period in place, like waiting 24 hours before making a big purchase. Hack number 9, invest in quality products. While it may be tempting to go for the cheapest option, investing in quality products can actually save you money in the long run. High-quality products will last longer and require fewer repairs, saving you money on replacements and repairs. Hack number 10, take advantage of free activities. There are plenty of free activities that you can enjoy, like hiking, visiting museums, and attending community events. Taking advantage of these free activities can save you a lot of money on entertainment costs. Hack number 11, use a rewards credit card. If you use a rewards credit card, you can earn points or cash back on your purchases. Just make sure to pay off the balance in full each month to avoid paying interest. Hack number 12, automate your savings. Finally, automate your savings by setting up. This way, you can easily save money without having to think about it. You can also set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month to help you reach your savings goals faster. So, there you have it, 12 money saving hacks that can help you save a lot of money in the long run. Remember, it's all about making small changes to your spending habits that can add up over time. If you implement these hacks, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one.